Hello, welcome to the Mockup Oasis. I have this tutorial put together to help you get through this mock-up with a breeze, okay? Here we have a blank canvas, a beautiful sleeve mock-up, white of course, and what you would do is put your design on here and adjust it to how you would like it, okay? So you choose whatever design that you like. In this case, we're going to use the Mockup Oasis sign, okay? As you see, the sleeve is slanted, so we will have to rotate it and adjust it to make it look the way it should look on your sleeve, okay? Now, if you do not know what angle to put it in, just in case, you can go by the lines, on your sleeve. So what we will do is bring it down here, use this rotating button here, and we will adjust it where it's lined up with that sleeve. Okay, in this case it's 35 degrees. Once you have it lined up, you can even bring it up close to the line and get it more accurate. Okay, so it's almost like 38. Okay, 37 or 38. 37. And once you get it there, you just resize it to the size that you would like. This is a close-up view, so it can be pretty big to showcase your design off, right? And once you have it the size that you want, you go up to your transparency to adjust the look of it. Make sure it looks realistic on here, okay? Once you do that, you're pretty much done, okay? You can click on the side so it can show you how it will look, and voila, beautiful. I like mine to be shown a little bit more bolder, but again, you adjust yours how your design however you would like it to look, okay? And there's your design sitting beautiful on your mock-up. Even if you had a long verse or something to put on here, you have plenty of room to do that, okay? So once you're done with your design, you go up to your share button, you click the download, you go to your file type and you find the file that you want to save it in, JPEG or PNG, and you click on it, okay? And then you go to the page. As you can see, we're currently on page 20, and again, it always have your current page sitting up here, so you unclick that and then you click that current page, you hit done. Once you're done with all that, you hit download and your image is downloaded, and you are done and complete with your mock-up image. Okay, if you have any questions, concerns, please feel free to email me. I will definitely get back with you and try to help you out with anything that I can help you out with, okay? Thank you for stopping at the Mockup Oasis and shopping with us. I hope to see you back. Bye.